Hello and welcome to our next video guide. Right now we will tell you more about your ad campaign. Let's see what you can get if you click on your ad campaign title. There are two sections here, ad groups and campaign statistics. In the ad group section you can see all ad groups, their average bids, ad group daily limit, impressions and clicks, total and daily figures, and all in USD currency. The ad campaign status is also available to check here. You may rename ad groups, copy and delete them, export statistics for your reports. On this very page you can also change ad campaign daily limits. The section with the ad campaign statistics is also very informative. Let's look more precisely at the details. Select the date range for which you'd like to check the statistics. You can select day, week, month, or set a desired period via the calendar. The first diagram is designed to verify or compare statistics for impressions, clicks, unique impressions, spans, CTR, CPM, desktop and mobile traffic. To compare different data, just click on the Select a Metric button and choose the respective metric. Scroll down and check your past geos and device breakdown, top creatives and ad groups. You can easily decide which one to continue displaying. Another table represents daily data in details, namely impressions, clicks, unique impressions, spent in BTC and equivalent in USD, average CTR and CPM price, desktop and mobile traffic %. You can export it, as well as the data from the next table, statistics by source. In this table you can see how efficient publishers are for your ad campaign, and you can decide whether to whitelist or to blacklist them. You can track the following data for publishers. Source ID, you can see it in your Google Analytics as ID source variable if you add it to your URL as a UTM tag. Total and unique impressions are represented along with the clicks, CTR, top geos, average paid bid, and % of total traffic. The second table shows you how efficient publishers are for your ad campaign, and you can decide whether you want to whitelist or to blacklist them. The following data can show you the publisher's efficiency. You can find the source ID here, which you can also find in your Google Analytics if you add source variable to your URL as a UTM tag. Total and unique impressions are also represented along with clicks, CTR, top geos, average paid bid, and % of total traffic. And now let's suppose you slump into any of your ad groups. In this case, you could see the same statistics and functions which you can find in your ad group. You can also find the creative section here, targeting and bidding. You are also allowed to change the daily limit for the same ad group. You can copy it or delete it as well. And now let's briefly go through the creatives section. You can add more creatives, modify the existing ones, and track their efficiency individually. If you click on any of your creatives, you can see statistics like charge, clicks and impressions, detailed daily statistics on a separate page. You can also check the URLs and modify banners anytime you'd like. The target section is also available here in case you'd like to introduce any changes for the same ad group. The detailed description of the targeting section is available in the video for ad campaign creation. Anyway, you may refer to your account manager and get any assistance with it. And the last thing we would like to demonstrate in this video is bidding. You can set the bid for your ad groups here. It can be different from other ad groups. If you'd like to know the average market bids, please refer to your account manager for assistance. In this section, you may set a daily limit for an ad group, add any package, and find out if the selected package was updated. You can also update your white and black lists here and export these lists if you have a CSV file. We also thought about prices. On this page, you can decide whether to buy traffic from other sources at a lower price and assign custom bids. We recommend that you refer to your account manager in case of any questions regarding optimization, white and black lists, bid updates, etc. It's a highly individual process. and we would like to provide you with more details on your traffic settings.